Respiration is the process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. The first breath takes place only after birth. After the first breath, the respiratory process continues throughout the life. Permanent stoppage of respiration occurs only at death. Respiration occurs in two phases. Number 1, inspiration, during which air enters the lungs from the atmosphere. And number 2, expiration, during which air leaves the lungs. There are four main functions of the respiratory system. 1. Removing waste, carbon dioxide, from body tissues. 2. Maintaining heat exchange. 3. Maintaining hemostasis, acid-base balance, of arterial blood. The lungs can compensate to try to restore the pH balance. The main function of respiratory system is to provide oxygen to the tissues and to remove carbon dioxide. To achieve these goals, respiration can be divided into four major functions. 1. Pulmonary ventilation, which means the inflow and outflow of air between the atmosphere and the lung alveoli. 2. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and the blood. Diffusion occurs down a concentration gradient, from an area of higher to an area of lower concentration. 3. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood and body fluids to and from the body's tissue cells, and 4. Regulation of ventilation.
The respiratory system moves air through the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and bronchus, to the alveoli where the gas exchange between oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Nares are the openings to the nose. The nasal cavity is lined with cilia, mucous membranes, and blood capillaries. The air is filtered by cilia, moistened by mucous membranes, and warmed by the blood. Air moves into the pharynx or throat, the common passageway for food and air. Air continues on to the larynx. The epiglottis, a flap of tissue in front of the larynx, closes off the larynx when swallowing to prevent food from entering. The larynx or voice box contains the vocal folds. The trachea or windpipe connects the larynx to the bronchial tree. The cartilage rings of the trachea prevent the trachea from collapsing. Lungs are spongy tissue with alveoli and blood capillaries. Breathing occurs because of the expansion and contraction of the lungs. The bronchi carrying the air subdivide into smaller branches called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole are the alveolar sacs. The alveolar sacs are surrounded by blood capillaries and contain millions of single-layer alveoli cells where the gas exchange takes place. Oxygenated air goes from the nose to the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, and alveoli. By the process of diffusion, oxygen in the air moves from the alveoli to the capillaries. Carbon dioxide moves from the capillaries to the alveoli and is exhaled. This process is called respiration.